What car you drive?
G-Wagon.
A G-Wagon? What you drive? Lexus? Mercedes. How often do you get an oil change? Every 5,000? Oh, okay, you know it. Okay.
Mine is 10.
10? Really?
Synthetic, boo.
How you drive?
Which one? I drive a domestic and a foreign, depending on the day.
Domestic or foreign. Okay, okay. How often do you get oil changes?
I try to get them whenever that little light comes on.
What car you drive?
I don't want to tell that, man.
Listen, you tell me what you want to tell me.
You know, little Benz or something.
A little bad or something.
Yeah.
How often do you get oil changes?
Once every 2 months.
Once every 2 weeks. What car you drive?
A 2018 Kia Soul.
Okay, she told me everything. I ain't mad at that.
Sorry.
Okay. How often do you get oil changes? Oh.